Honorable Director, Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the worthy teachers and my dear friends, today I wish a wonderful morning to all of you.
Great morning, Annu.
My name is Annu. I am student of Class 8 Competency Standard at Sunrise Foundation School, and today I am here for mastering the concept. My subject is maths and topic is algebraic expression. Now, what is my subject?
Maths.
What is my topic?
Algebraic expression.
Now the question arises, what is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is the expression which is a combination of a constant and a variable. Algebraic expression is a combination of
Constant and variable.
It is combination of
Constant and variable.
What is the combination of a constant and a variable?
Algebraic expression.
It is a combination of
Constant and variable.
It is a combination of constant and
Variable.
It is used in the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. It is used in operation like
Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.
it is used in the operation like it is used in the operation like
Used in the operation like
addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Multiplication and
division.
very good. Algebraic expression is a combination of a constant and a variable. It is used in the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. There are 4 types of algebraic expression. How many types of algebraic expression are there?
4 types.
How many types of algebraic expression are there?
4 types.
First, monomial. What is first?
Monomial.
What is first?
Monomial.
Second, binomial. What is second?
Binomial.
What is second?
Binomial.
Third, trinomial. What is third?
Trinomial.
What is third?
Trinomial.
Fourth, polynomial. What is fourth?
Polynomial.
What is fourth?
Polynomial.
What is fourth?
Polynomial.
Now what is monomial? The expression which include one term is known as monomial. For example, 100. The expression which use is known as monomial. Very good. Now what is binomial? The expression which use 2 terms is known as binomial. For example, 2x plus 3x. The